Do you want no-bake, vegan, gluten-free delicious brownies that is healthy, low-calorie and high in protein? This 4-ingredient banana-free recipe is a winner at every level. I cannot recommend it enough. Feel free to like, subscribe and share, and let's dive into the recipe. Peel the sweet potato, cut them into smaller pieces and boil them. No, this brownie doesn't taste like sweet potatoes, but by using this ingredient it gives the moist, vitamin and some protein, and it avoids using a lot of oil for it to be moist. Overall, the structure is just great. Then in the meantime, in a food processor, put a cup of vegan protein powder. By the way, it's also possible to mix in a bowl with a fork, but it just takes more time than with a food processor. And also, all the ingredients are listed in the description. Then put the alternative to half a cup of regular sugar. I use a erythritol-based sweetener from the brand Sukrin, which tastes the same as sugar but has virtually no calories. Then put 2/3 of a cup of cacao powder. You can even go up to a whole cup if you want dark chocolate brownies. Then put in the sweet potatoes. And half of a cup of peanut butter. Start mixing, and by the way, sometimes I put some walnuts in at the end just to mix them a little bit in, which gives a more crunchy taste and makes it more healthy. But this is optional. Sometimes during the mixing I need to put a small splash of plant-based milk, but not every time though. It depends if some water came with when you transfer the sweet potatoes. If you were wondering, this batch makes over 30 squares of brownies. Then put them in a parchment-lined container. Put it in the fridge and serve them over 2 hours later. If you want some crunchiness on the top, cut the almonds in small pieces, put some hazelnut butter on the sugar, use some water, and then put them on some parchment paper on a tray in the oven until golden and crunchy. Then take them out, let it cool down and cut in smaller pieces. You can also cut granola into small pieces and it works as well, but this has hazelnut butter and it gives this nice hazelnutty taste that works very well with the chocolate, as everybody knows who used to like Nutella. By the way, I made a vegan Nutella recipe myself, which is healthy but doesn't compromise with the taste. And this is optional, but you can spread it on this brownie if you like. I cover it and then I put the granola. I cut it into small pieces and serve on some squared parchment paper and enjoy. If you want other vegan, delicious and easy snacks, feel free to check out other videos on my channel. I also have a lot of delicious vegan cheeses that are easy on this channel, as well as some that are oil-free. If you stayed until the end, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, it really helps me out. And I see you in the next one. Bye and take care!